Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix Yahoo Mail not working? To fix Yahoo Mail not working, start by checking your internet connection, and if you don't have a powerful Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data. Next, what you're gonna do, if you are using Yahoo Mail on your browser or your PC, what you're gonna do, just clear the browser cache, right, or cookies. So I'm gonna go ahead to the settings, and I'm using my browser, just Safari. Hit apps, and then just try to pin down Safari. Inside Safari, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down. I'm gonna clear history and website data. And also, what I'm gonna do, scroll a little bit down, hit advanced, and press the block all cookies, right? In order, to just restart doing that again. Okay, so I'm gonna hit website data also, right? And then press remove all website data and confirm that you want to remove it. And after you've done all that, what you're gonna do also, on your way to the main settings, just restart your device. So I'm gonna go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down, hit transfer or reset iPhone, and hit reset, and reset all settings. Okay, in order to fix that problem. Maybe the problem isn't Yahoo Mail specifically, maybe the problem is from within. So just make sure to reset all the settings. Go back to the main settings also, and hit general and software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version, or your browser that you're using is fully updated to the latest version. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.